Okay, today I am going to do a beach scene, and it is not going to have any paint at all. It's going to be made of glass and sand and alcohol inks to tint the glass the different colors that I want. I've got some seashells and I've got some glitter. I'm not sure how much of the glitter I'm going to use. I even have some snowflake tinsel embossing powder. I'm going to be honest, I'm not sure what that's going to do with this liquid glass. Liquid glass acts like a resin. It will glue things down and also seal it at the same time. So it's really great because you don't have to mix it. It doesn't smell really bad. And it dries much faster than resin. So this is going to be a beach scene. I saw Sherry Moulton do this on YouTube just a couple days ago. And she did it in a shadow box. And I had already wanted to do some sand down here at the bottom with some shells. And then a beach pour up here in this skinny little frame here that I got from Joann's, that I decided that this is going to be my practice because I did buy 2 shadow boxes to try to do it on a bigger scale. And I want to get some bigger shells or raid my daughter's shell collection if she doesn't mind. So I'm going to just make a mess with this wonderful stuff, and I'm going to be tinting some of the glass with my with gloves on because it is alcohol ink and it will stain my fingers. I'm going to start off with tinting this clear, where is it? This clear glass. I want it to look white, like the waves crashing down. So I'm going to do a little bit of this alcohol ink and a little bit of this glitter. The fun thing is this is the only white glitter I have, which I'm kind of surprised about, and it's also glow in the dark. I don't know if that's going to actually do anything to the paint, to the glass, but it'll be fun. So, wish me luck that this turns out how I want it to. Here I go.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we.
Okay, I was going to do one more blue, and I was going to do this light blue. However, this is super chunky compared to the other glass. These are all the same company, but it looks like this is the chunkiest out of all of them, and I don't want it to be that chunky. There's actually, it is really, really large pieces compared to the rest of the glass. Now, this glass is already my favorite. It's not sharp. There's no sharp edges. It is super, super round. I like it. So I'm going to play around with this. I want to make one more layer of light blue, even though I think I'm running out of room for what I'm doing on this, really, because it's so skinny. Whatever I don't use, though, I can use on the shadow boxes if this comes out the way I want it to. So I'm actually going to try to tint this a lighter blue. So this is going to be me playing with the alcohol ink. Yeah, this one's called Tiny Treasures. It still says decorative filler, but it is definitely a different consistency. And I was gifted all of this glass a while ago by my mom, who is also very crafty. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go and see if I can have this one. It actually says Christmas on it. So Christmas Noel. But anyways, I'm gonna add a little bit of white to this and to lighten it and see what happens. What do you guys think? Maybe a little bit more sand next time? Yeah, that's what I might do, is I might do a little bit more sand. Actually, I can fix that right now. I used a lot of the liquid glass today. I wanted to make sure everything stuck down. Whatever doesn't stick down, I'll just brush it off. I'm gonna let this dry for at least 24 hours before I brush it. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. I highly recommend doing this. This is a lot of fun. Definitely wear gloves. I actually went through 2 pairs because at some point in time I ripped both gloves. So I highly recommend it. The dust, even the glass dust, was everywhere, and I threw away the paper that I was using, even though it was completely clean. I didn't want to have that anywhere else in the house. I didn't want to have to vacuum, and I didn't want to have my dog step in it. So I highly recommend doing this. It's a pretty cool process. I'm happy that I went back in and added a little bit more liquid glass because the little pieces here that were coming off left holes behind. So this was really cool and I can't wait to do another one. Thanks for watching.